Hello YouTube. I was on a mission yesterday. I got, I don't know whether it's in there, but we'll mail them up later, or some of them you'll be able to watch. I got some cedar from a friend of ours who wants to lighten up his place where he lives a little bit because they're too close together and whatnot. So I got a bunch of those guys. There's another pile over there. Where is it? There. But amongst which, the trees that needed gone, there was a dying black walnut. So we are going to have a go at that fellow. This one, to be precise. It's, I don't know, how thick is it? 20 some inches at the butt end, maybe. And I just took the top cut off it and the first little slab. It's got a hole in it there. It sits here. I didn't quite go deep enough to get rid of that bit, but I'll turn it over in a minute anyway, and then we'll start on the other side and mill it into slabs, and then stack it and see what happens with it. It's got some nice figure in it, I think, and the bit that this is the butt end, the lower end of the tree, and then there's the bit that's up at the top. I've got that in the pile over there, and that's got a whole bunch of rot in it and branches and stuff like that. But I think there will be a couple of smaller pieces with some really nice figuring in there. So I don't know whether I'm going to do that part today or tomorrow, but either way, you're going to be here for it, and then we'll have a look. We'll have a look at that. For now, I'm going to turn this guy over and put my digital readout on the mill, and then when I've done that, I'll turn you guys back on. I'll put you here on a tripod, and then you're along for the ride. Hang on a minute. Yeah, so now we get to part 2 of the video. After I've got some shorts on because it's getting a bit warm out. And we got the first log of the red cedar. So we'll see what that turns out like. Let's have a look into it. There we go. That's the first few boards out of that log. And we're going to cut them up into 1 inch, and then whatever width I get. And that is going to be the inside ceiling dash roof of the house. I'm going to get a lot more of these, so I'll have enough whichever way. But yeah, that's a half of a log cut up, I guess, a bit more than that. And I shall leave you with that. Cut up the rest of that, but I'm not going to bore you with it. And then I'll be back down here tomorrow for another video and see what we can turn into sawdust then. So until then, stay safe, stay happy and healthy. I've got a lot of sawdust in my toolbox. Oh, how nice. There we go. Until then. Take care. Bye.